Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. This question is asking whether this series converges or diverges, and if you see, we have n power n and 3 power 1 plus n. So in this kind of situation, root test is the best test to do, right? Because that way it will cancel this n and we can find the limit easily. So let's go ahead and do the root test. So root test says when we take limit n approaches infinity, and if you take the nth root of absolute value, this absolute value of this one, right, and if it gives less than 1, if the limit is less than 1, this converges, and if it's greater than 1, it diverges. L is less than 1, I wrote it wrong. So if L is less than 1, it converges. If L is greater than 1, it diverges. And if it's equal to 1, no conclusion. So let's go ahead and see what are we going to get from this one. So let's take the limit n approaches infinity, and here absolute value is going to be same thing because we don't have any negative sign, right? So this is going to be same thing, n power n over 3 power 1 plus n, and nth root is same as power 1 over n, right? And let's write this one in a different way. Limit n approaches infinity, n power n, and 3 power 1 plus n is same as 3 power 1 times 3 power n, right? When we multiply, it will add. So this is same as that, and let's solve and see what we get. So this is 1 over n, and if we simplify this one, this is going to give us, let's continue here. So if we simplify this one, limit n approaches infinity, n and 1 over n cancels, so we are going to get n on the numerator, and in the denominator we are going to have 3 power 1 over n, and then this one n cancels, we just get 3, right? Now if you think about this, if you apply infinity, this is going to be infinity, right? And here 1 over infinity, this power will become 0. So 3 power 0 is basically 1. So 1 times 3 is going to be 3. So it's going to be infinity over 3. Infinity over 3 is going to be infinity. So the answer is going to be infinity. This is greater than 1. So from this one, we know that if the L is greater than 1, this series diverges. So from this one, we can say this series diverges. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.